Let us understand different forms of matter. Everything that can be found on earth exists in different forms. Some substances are rigid and some have fixed shape like wood and stone. Some substances can flow and take the shape of their container like water and milk, while there are forms of matter that do not have definite shape or size such as air. The basic three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Solid. Solids have definite shape, mass and volume. They are made up of tiny particles which are tightly packed. The gap between particles are tiny and hence it is tough to compress them. They hold the solid in a definite shape that does not change. For example, solid, ice and sugar. Liquid. In a liquid state of matter, particles are loosely packed. They can take the shape of the container in which they are kept. They do not have definite shape, but they do have definite mass and volume. Liquids are difficult to compress as particles have less space between them to move. For example, milk, coffee, petrol, etc. Gas. In gases, particles are far apart from each other and they can move freely. They do not have definite shape or volume. Like liquids, they can take the shape of the container in which they are kept. They can be compressed easily as their particles are spaced very loosely. For example, air, oxygen, etc. In this slide, we will see how molecules are present in different states of matter. By now you all know that there are three states of matter. They are solid, liquid and gas. Here you can see that the molecules in solid are tightly packed. They bond together and do not change shape. Whereas in liquid, the molecules are loosely packed. They slide around easily. In gas, we have taken an example of balloon. Here you can see the molecules in gas are spread out. They are very loosely packed. We will try to understand the three different states of matter more closely by doing this activity. For this activity, I have few things that I am using, like an apple for solid, some colored water for liquid and few incense sticks to create gas. Now let us start with solid. If I put this apple in this cup, you can see that there is no change in its shape or size. It remains as it is. Now first observe this, that this liquid has taken the shape of the jug. It has definite volume and shape of the jug. When I pour this water in the cup, now you can see that the water has the same volume but the shape of the cup. Now very carefully I try burning this incense stick and create some gas. I'll try to capture this gas produced in this bottle. You can see that the gas particles are taking the shape of this bottle. The gas particles expand and occupies the shape of the water without retaining its shape or size. They are moving into the air also. Look, with this smoke you can see that they are going out of the bottle. Now I will place the lid and this gas particles are moving upwards. They are all over there. Now I will try to move this solid object, that is apple, from cup to this bowl, and you can see that its shape and size does not change. It is same. What does happen if we do with this liquid now? Right now it has the shape of this cup. And you know that particles of liquid are loosely packed and they slide. Now I pour this into this bowl and you can see that it is taking the shape of the bowl. The volume is same, but the shape is changed now. Now similarly we will try to do with this gas. I will try to pour this gas into this bowl. But as you know, gases do not have definite shape or size, they do not settle. Over here, when I remove the lid of the gas spread into the entire room. Look, you can see it's not settling down in the bowl. And it is taking the space what is available. This happens because the gap between gas particles are far apart from each other and they move freely. So now you have learned by this experiment what are the three different states of matter and their properties. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon.